Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to go over a couple of stocks that surged the past couple of days due to optimism around a cure. First stock is Sorrento Therapeutics. So that's ticker symbol SRNE. So past week, up 145%. So it surged ever since May 14th. Current price is $7 per share. And as you can see, the past year, it's been very steady and all of a sudden it shot up. Past year, up 96%. In past 5 years, it's been a downward trend. It's going down a bit in terms of fundamentals. Market cap is $1.31 billion. No P ratio, meaning they're not profitable, and there's no dividend yield, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Scrolling down a bit, you can see that analysts are optimistic about this being an option for a cure, and it hit 52-week high. And as you can see, based on their earnings, it has not been meeting their earnings expectation. As you can see, Sorrento engages in research, development, and manufacturing of biopharmaceutical products. And I think there's a lot of optimism around this news because if they actually do have a breakthrough in finding a cure, they would have the first mover advantage and they'd be able to generate more revenue, and it validates their technology. Next is Moderna. Ticker symbol MRNA, currently priced at $77.90 per share. Today, up 19.96%, almost up 20%. Past month, up 73%. Past 3 months, up 307%. Past year, up 240%. And yeah, it's been trending like crazy in an upward trend. Scrolling down a bit, market cap is $26 billion. P ratio, it's not profitable at the moment. And dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. And because there's a lot of optimism around positive trial results, that's why the market, in terms of the major indices, have been positive today. So it seems like the data is very promising from the initial trials, and hopefully it results positively. In terms of analyst ratings, very positive, 91% give it a buy. And if you look at the earnings, it's been beating expectations. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at what Moderna does. Develops and development of transformative medicine based on mRNA. Last but not least is Novavax, ticker symbol NVAX, currently priced at $54 per share. Today, up 30%. Past month, up 186%. Past year, up 827%. And past 5 years, it's been trending downwards. But yeah, due to recent optimism, news on a cure, these three have been trending upward. Fundamentally, market cap is $3.3 billion. No P ratio, which means they're not profitable, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So some analysts give it a increased price target, and it's one of the front runners in terms of coming out with a cure. And taking a look at the earnings, actual EPS beats expected, which is good, and overall it seems like it's a pretty positive earnings. Overall, these three companies do not have good financials. So if you look at the statistics, looking at Sorrento Therapeutics, in terms of stats, P ratio does not look good, and we want that to be positive, but at a low positive. Taking a look at the dividends, no dividends, financials, profitability is very bad. It's not profitable. Income statement, you can see that gross profit is also negative, which is not good. Balance sheet, their debt is way higher than their cash, which is no good in terms of a balance sheet. And cash flow, it's been negative, which is also not good. In terms of annual financials, you can see that the revenue, it's been decreasing, and earnings, it's been more and more negative, which is not what we'd like to see in a company. Taking a look at Moderna. Now looking at the stats. P ratio, again, not good at all. Dividends, no dividends. Profitability, operating margin is terrible. Management effectiveness is negative, not good. Income statement, gross profit is negative, and revenue growth is also negative, which is not good. Balance sheet, it's not bad in terms of balance sheet. Total cash is 1.2 billion versus total debt, but as you can see, cash flow not good, income statement not good. Taking a look at the year-over-year annual earnings, revenue-wise, it's been decreasing ever since 2017. And in terms of earnings itself, it's been drastically decreasing. Taking a look at Novavax, NVAX, taking a look at the stats. So 4P, that's not good, it's negative. No dividends. Scrolling down a bit, profitability is not good. Same for management effectiveness, not good at all. Income statement, gross profit is negative. Balance sheet, way more debt than cash, and cash flow statement is also negative. So overall, even though there's a lot of optimism that's shown in the stock price trading positively and trending upwards, I think all of this is overhyped because just because there's a big breakthrough and having a first mover advantage, that validates their technology. But in terms of the actual business, having a profitable, sustainable business in the long run, I'm not optimistic about these three companies and don't plan on buying any of these stocks or starting a position anytime soon. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Sorrento Therapeutics, Moderna, and Novavax? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.